Check. Welcome to the Investment Process Channel. I am C3 Christopher Campbell. This is the channel where we teach people how to create generational wealth through trading. Let's get into week 24 of the trading plan. Week 24, we'll be trading NAS, gold, and oil. Let's get into it. Here we are with NAS. Let's look and see what happened last week. To remove some of these. Well, no. Typically I don't have these on here, but these are my alerts and my message to myself. I typically, let me zoom in. Let's do the 4-day so you can see better. 4 hour, 4-day, 4 hour. So, here I was looking for a rejection from this area or this area, but it kept pushing through. As you can see here, I had sell on here. So if I met resistance here, I was gonna get a sell position down to here. Again, we were working within this range. So anytime I saw a potential position to sell, I was going to sell. And here, if it broke this high, I was going to catch a buy position, right? So here we saw on the 4 hour, we had a breaker structure here. I had an alert set up. I would have got that alert once this 4 hour close. I would have waited for the pullback and then got position. If we would have took a position down here, we saw this kind of morning star setup here, day one, coming out of that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's today, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we saw this position set up here. We had a bullish candle. If you would have got a position here anywhere in this day, that would have been a good position to at least go. And again, this is where you set a nice little setup here. Let's put this vertical here. Go to our 4 hour pullback. Okay. So it's a nice little setup. Again, this is the daily here. Take a position here. This is the 4 hour close. Look like we have a breaker structure here where we got support. Did not break this structure here. So getting support here. Then we take that same thought process, right? And get a position on this candle. Looks like 115. And to the top of here, this is a 3-to-1 right here. So here's your 3-to-1. And this would have been a close here at this 3-to-1, right? So I would have took my TP1 right here at, what is this, 18,897, and then that'd be TP1, and I'd have let the rest ride and had a trailing stop behind it. So again, there's opportunity. I don't want you guys to think that there's no opportunities. I'm a little bit conservative. If you didn't catch this one, I would have waited. I would have. And right now, we got to set up a breaker structure. I'm looking for price to pull back. Well, we'll go over it for this week. So, all right, let's look at the monthly. Let me clear everything off. Again, monthly bullish candle. Looks like it already had its pullback. This is week 2 of the month. It's looking good. Let's do the weekly. No setup. Daily. Looking good on a. Looking good for this is our daily. That's our daily range right here. Got 2 small wicks here, some imbalance. Yeah, this is daily. I can. Oh dang it! It's down here. About to say, wow, that's a lot. It's still a nice bit of imbalance. Let's look at the 4 hour, see what it looks like. See if we can tighten that up. Yeah. So I'll be looking for price to come back into this area here and then continuing up. Again, we've already broken structure here at 18,903. So I'll be looking for price to come back into this area, then continue up. And then I would probably set my, and we got a 4 hour candle here with no wick. So, oh, no, small wick, itty bitty wick. So, yeah, I still look for price to come back into this area before continuing up. That would be the area I would take a position at. Got a little small imbalance here. This is on the 4 hour. But daily, again, we're showing bullish. Look for price to pull back into this area, then continue up. And again, this new higher high, that would be my TP1. And then I would let the rest ride and have a trailing stop behind it. That would be my setup for the week. Again, if you're trading, manage risk. Manage risk. That's all I can say. So, you know, you take a position here, set your stop loss back here. I wouldn't even set my stop. I would set my stop loss based on my previous candle. So if I see a nice get support area here, probably this is the 4 hour. Probably look on the hour scale to get for support to show, get that confirmation, and then take a position based off of the previous bearish candle. So we're looking for a bearish and bullish candle, right? So at that time, that's our confirmation. Then we'll continue up. I'm looking for it to continue up. So I'd set my TP1 here at 19,081. TP1. Let's take a real quick look again. I'm trying to see if we get one here. 115. It's literally 230. If we get anything in there, it's 219. Two to one. Sometimes that's all you need, right? If you set your stop loss, if you get a nice confirmation, again, this is me being super conservative. You get a nice confirmation, you can easily make that a 3 to 1 or a 4 to 1, depending on your entry. But we're looking here again, price to pull back into this area here, 18,904. Looking for confirmation, then it come up to 19,074. Again, NAS still showing bullish, so that's how we're gonna look at the instrument and the tool, right? So that's our plan for NAS. Let's go over here to gold. Go. It got fancy. It's 30 minute. Let's look here on the daily. Can't make this up. Again, this is the reason why we say what we say here, right? So this is Friday this happened. Got to pull back here right into this. We were looking for the price to come back in 2404. And it popped there. Let's look at it on the 4 hour. Let me delete this. All right. Oh, dang it. I needed that. I need one of those. Look at how it looked on Friday. All right. So Friday, boom, here we got this confirmation. Again, we're looking for price to come all the way back down here to 2240. On Friday, we had our confirmation, 4 hour confirmation. Let's go back to the 4 hour and put another one. This is why I had the two here. I was doing the analysis, right? 4 hour. Had our confirmation on the 4 hour. Okay, now what does that look like on the hour, right? 4 hour. This would have been our opportunity here once this closed, right? Nice little close. We'd have waited for the pullback and confirmation, right? So pullback, this hour candle. I need to say one more. Opportunity here, price to pull back into this area. Catch that and write it down. So if you're looking for entries, this is the hour, looking for price to pull back in this area, get a confirmation. This is on the 30-minute. So this is a 15-minute confirmation. Understand that. We're looking for a 15-minute confirmation around here that it touches this area and then continues down, right? So we're looking for entry in here. It's about 9 or 10 points. Here's a 5-to-1, right? So let's say 10 points, 5-to-1. Put that there. Let's go back to our daily. Right into this area, right? We're looking for price to come back down into this area. We got our confirmation that, hey, this highest price is going to go right now. Looks like it cleaned up that imbalance right there. That's a 5-to-1 right there. So again, plenty of opportunities. And again, I don't hold positions over the weekend. Getting our push up here on the daily. Got this imbalance right here showing right now. So classic setup again. Let's go weekly. Yep. So for our weekly, we had again still have this. I'm gonna put this here. So this is our weekly imbalance. Then we're looking to see price come down too. We've already broke this lower high right here. Excuse me, lower low right here. So broke through support. So looking for that pullback. Looks like here we have an imbalance that needs to get cleaned up. Again, this is our weekly. So let's look at it on a daily. Imbalance. Excuse me, candle with no wick here. That's clean. Looking for price to come all the way back down to here. So on a daily, boom. So that imbalance now turns to our daily. And let's look on our 4-hour and see what it looks like. Imbalance here, imbalance here. So what would be nice? What would be nice is to get a pullback all the way to this area here and then continue down and break this structure. Will it get there? I don't know. So our plan would be, I need a daily. What we need here is a yeah. Again, that would have been a nice to have. So this is the reason why you look between two areas. So yeah, definitely here. We're looking for price to pull back into this area, then continue down. 23.41 on gold. And this will probably be my TP1 here, where there's support at, what is this? 22.95. And then continue down on here to 22.35. Again, let's, we go back and look at the daily, saying we got imbalance up here. My 4 hours saying imbalance. Candle with no wick on a 1 hour. Not seeing it though. Daily. Weekly. Yeah, I see price probably jumping back up into this area here. Yeah, if I look up here and say price gonna come back into this area, and I look at my 4 hour and my 4 hour saying, maybe not. Let's see here. It's my daily 4 hour. Yeah, I would set I'll set it to here. We have two areas of resistance, right? On the daily, saying it's a little bit higher. The 4 hours saying that. The resistance is like right around here. So yeah. About 23.42, I'll be looking for resistance to show up. Get confirmation that price is going to continue down. If not, we're looking for price to break. What is this here? 23.86 to continue up. However, it looks like currently, what is this? This 4 hour. Let's go to daily. Yeah. Daily. Yeah. Change this to daily. Okay. All right. That's weekly. Yeah. In order for me to think gold is going to continue up, again, daily is showing this, showing still bullish, still got support here, and it broke this lower low here. So my thoughts are on the weekly. It's coming back to clean up this imbalance. This may be the week for that. This may be the week for that. And we got another imbalance down here. But it might just come clean this up and then continue up. So again, we'll make a plan once it touches this area. But right now, again, this is on a weekly. It broke this low here. This is that head and shoulder setup, right? One, shoulder, head. Okay, yeah, then you get another test, boom, boom. So, but right now, looking at gold, looks like it's gonna clean up this imbalance. Even the monthly is showing this imbalance that it needs to clean up. So that's the plan for right now. Let's go over here to oil. Told you it was about to do something, right? Oil showing bearish the whole time. Pull back day one, drop down. Let's look at the weekly. Look, touch right there in the support. You see the vertices that I was showing you that oil was just kind of coiling up, about to do something. Absolutely did. Got resistance here at 86.75. That was a monthly resistance, right? And it came right to it and then continue down. So we got our confirmation on the daily. The previous week, it tested its fate. Then we got here, pull back, slam down. It looks like it cleaned up this imbalance right here, and it's going to continue down. So let's take a look at a new position that you can take if you have not already had a position. If you got a position here, and you're going to hold that position. Again, I don't hold too many over the weekend, but it's not a bad position to have if you already got a position, especially up here. Not a bad position to have. Again, with how the market is moving for oil. Monthly, again, bearish month. Looking at support here on the monthly. Price has been moving within this range. Again, everything's been coiling. It's been getting tighter and tighter. Opportunities here, large opportunities, not exactly sure. But again, we got support here again. It came right to this is monthly support here. Come on. Pink. All right. Monthly support. Weekly. That's our first low here for support for weekly. So overall monthly. So we're looking for price to get down to 71.44. I'm just gonna say 44. Yeah, 439 is because I have it right on the wick of the candle. So weekly. Wait a minute. Should be a whole new candle. I'm not sure exactly why. Wow. Okay. All right. So anyway, opportunities. So we got a 4-hour candle with no wick here. That's been cleaned up. I don't see any imbalance showing up except for underneath. So market opening 9 a.m. tomorrow again, East Coast. I'll be looking to get position. You got a couple here of imbalances. Perfect area to go to and through. Even with this, if be careful setting a position overnight. But you're looking for not even a whole 1 point, 1.2. So that's 1 to 2, but we looking for actually see that's 3 to 1 right there. 3 to 1 right there. Almost 4 to 1. But yeah, I'm a little leery about getting positions overnight and like during the European call. I like to get my positions during the opening of the New York Stock Exchange. Because strange things happen overnight. Just be honest with you. If at 2 o'clock, cause you see this is a bullish candle right now for the day. And it may just be the pullback candle that we're looking for. And I don't see any reason for it to be bullish at all other than 4 hour. Let's look at the hour. Okay, yeah. Clean up this small imbalance right here to continue down. And even then, looking at that, clean that up. Set your stop loss back here. Yeah, so let's take a look at what that plan will look like. Here's our I'll call this our range right now. It's our range. Yeah. This is confirmation already. I would be looking to get position. Let's take a look here. Pull out my Fibonacci. Come on. Okay. Fibonacci. This is perfect. If you get any position above 74.37, and you're getting a selling position, this is good. Find a good position to get. Again, this is monthly support, so again, I would be patient though in entering. So we got one point. Again, 3 points, almost 4 points. If we riding it down here, be patient. So looking at 4-1, 4-1. And again, I would just be patient with the entering the market at that particular time. But anywhere above, what is it, 74.37, is a good position to have. Just be aware of what the market, what price is doing right now. So it's pulling back into this area here, right? High, set a low. You're gonna get, this is a 4 hour. You're gonna get support here. So for me, or it might blow through this. For me, that's it right here. This is perfect. All right. So you want to get position above 74.37. For me, I will wait for price to come. This is 4 hour. I'll wait for price to either take out this low and pull back and then continue down. That way you have a solid position where, you know, it can hit this support and turn back around, right? Doesn't look like oil is really doing that right now, but right now that would be a good position. And then again, like I said, anywhere in this area, hit that support, come back, then drive it down. And your position could be even smaller, you know, than 1 point, as far as your stop loss goes, right? Let's see. Support. Looking for a bearish. This might be a bearish candle. No, it's not gonna do it. 4 hour. Yeah. Looking for resistance. Get you a nice resistance breaker structure candle. Set your stop loss behind there, then let it continue down. Again, it's 1 point from like here where we are now. It'd be a smaller than that stop loss. It's 1 point. Yeah. Looking at maybe 0.25. 0.25 down to here. That turns into a 4. It turns into a 8-1, just like that. So again, tell you all the time, just play it smart. Make sure you understand your position. Any position above here, above 74.37, and setting your stop loss. Look like a quarter of a point down. That ends up being an 8-1 instead of a 4-1. Just that quick. And again, I look for better positions where we get that confirmation that price is going in that direction, right? So let's play the charts and not play, theories. Make sure that we're looking at what the charts are saying to us and getting our positions based off where price is currently. So that's our trading plan for the week for oil. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Again, trying to get this out to a couple more people. And I think I'm going to do some live trading this week. So you're more than welcome to join. It'll probably be 9 a.m. Eastern time. So yeah, more than welcome to come join us. And I'll see you then. Have a good one.